Welcome back, everybody, and we are back at Zach's garage on a really crisp, cold morning. Zach, thanks for having us down.
Dude, thank you for coming, Dale.
Now, there was a call for help, wasn't there?
100%. This was only G-Technic can help with this situation. Please help. Moment.
When you told us, I kind of was like, this can't be right. I've now seen the project, and it's insane. It's crazy.
It's definitely the biggest YouTube project. Yeah, definitely.
And it's not something people might normally associate with Zach's garage, like typically with the cars you have there.
The people who know us and the people who've been here know we're fairly eccentric, and this just kind of ticks the final box. And before people think it's not a tank, that will probably end up coming soon. But this was something that I've known about for quite some time, and it was something that, you know, we were building up to, and now it's here in all of its glory.
So what is it then? Come on, tell everyone about it.
So it's a late 80s W900B Kenworth custom, believed to be the Optimus Prime truck from the Transformers film from 2007 with Megan Fox in. And so it's kind of cool. It was the one that they they believed it to be the one that they 3D scanned. It's got 1.5 million miles on, so a little bit more than most people's 200,000 mile, VW Dinger or something like I've got next door. But it was originally a show truck, and it's been to many shows around the world. And unfortunately, it sat for a very long time, upwards of 10 years, not being washed in someone's garage, and it just wasn't amazingly looked after. But now it's coming to the collection, and we're going to make it. Well, you are going to make it sparkle.
I mean, it's going to be a challenge. You can see that, like you say, it's done a lot of miles, and actually, it's not too bad considering. There are some imperfections in the paintwork. It's shown its age. But there's nothing on here that I don't think we can transform. So let's get to it.
Excellent. Let's do it.